national government and the politics around the next election. Senator Abdullahi, you are probably the most experienced politician in office from Northeastern. We are ready to work with the government as long as it serves the interest of our people. And because you have told me where you come with, the President of the Republic of Kenya, you lead us. For me, I am not going to attend, and let it go very clear, and let it reach the President. I am not going to attend a meeting organized by one Ukur Yatani. This is the fact of the matter. Ask Ukur Yatani, for example. There is only one livestock training institute in the entire region called Wajir Livestock Training Institute in Grift. Ask him where is the 100 million budgeted for that institution by the Ministry of Livestock, where has he taken it? When we know he has taken 4 billion to Northern. So it is not, my conscience will not allow for me to sit, watch the people of Northeastern to be blackmailed and to be coerced into a system by an individual who is fighting their interest. And you see, politics is about interest. So tell your friend Uhuru Kenyatta that if he really wants us to work with him, let him come through you. And we will respect it. Yes, he in Guinea, you see, even his member of parliament who comes from North did not go to the Serena meeting. Nyinyi watu ya Northeastern munaenda huko, sijui kufanya nini. If you want to work with the president, we have also been elected to represent our people. We are ready to work. Let's work on the table. Lakini fitina ya watu sijui ati I'm going to get this from treasury and that, sitaki. I'm not going to work on that. So I'm telling the President of the Republic of Kenya, we are ready to work with you, but on a mutual interest and the interest of our people that must come from us, not from your appointees.